Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be turning a piece of wood that was at one point already on the burn pile, and we're going to try and turn it into a functional item. So the first tool we're using is the full size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we're just going to start by turning it around. Getting a few of them high spots off, and now we've switched to the full size rougher. Just making a tenon here so we can grab it in the chuck. It's matching the angles of the jaws. And we're going to take down that large nubbin there using the rougher. Once again, that's the full size one. And now the parting tool. Yeah, move the tool rest and take that last bit off with a handsaw. There we go. As you can see, where it was burnt at one point. We're going to try and leave a little bit of that left so it tells a story of where this wood once was. Alright, so we're going to start turning it to shape. The shape of this project come from a project from when I first started turning. So I'm going to try and sort of replicate that. The one I initially done was a lot smaller, because back in them days I had a pretty small baby little lathe, and obviously this lathe now can do much bigger pieces. So right now anyway, like I am using the #1 hollower, the mid-size one. There's the parting tool just to define the bottom, and back to the #1 hollower. There's the detailer, kind of giving it a shear scrape and clearing the insides of them out. And here's the rougher just to flatten the sides, and we come up in a little while and have a little bit of a design change. Here we go. It's where we decide to put a little bit of a rim at the top. And we're going to round that off with the #1 hollower and take the bottom in a little bit more. There we go, last few passes, there we go. Giving it a quick check over. Alright, we're going to start the hollowing process. So the first thing we're going to do is use a Forstner bit and drill down to depth. Obviously, could go in and come back out again a couple of times, making sure the drill bit doesn't get stuck. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to get the lathe up to speed, and the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size #1 hollower, and we're going to start by cleaning it out. Very, very dusty this was, as it was so punky and so dry. Alright, and now we've switched to the Pro Size #1 hollower, just so we can get right to the bottom of the vessel. And there you go. So, like I said, it was extremely dry and extremely punky, this piece of wood. So it made the next step quite difficult, and quite time consuming, which is of course sanding. So I'm not going to show you all of that, so I'm just going to show you the last one, which is 240 grit from Klingspor abrasives. And there you go, a bit of compressed air. And now we're going to apply some Hampshire Sheen Danish oil all over. As previously mentioned, I said this wood was very dry, and it took a lot of oil. It was very, very thirsty. Alright, so now we're going to part it off using the parting tool. So I'm intrigued what you think of this project. Where would you call it a goblet, a pedestal bowl, or would you think it should have remained firewood? Let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.